In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your achievements on chess.com. Before we begin, make sure you're on the chess.com website using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. To start, log into your chess.com account as you normally would. You don't need to share or say any personal details here. Just sign in the way you usually do so the site recognizes your profile and can display your rewards. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation column. Near the top of that column, you'll see the familiar chess.com logo. Move your mouse or trackpad cursor over that logo and hover for a moment. This hover action helps reveal additional navigation options tied to your profile and site features. If your window is small or the menu is collapsed, the logo may appear as a compact icon. That's normal. Just hover over it to expand the related options. When the menu options appear, find and click on Awards. Think of the awards area as your personal trophy shelf. It's where chess.com groups all the badges and milestones you've earned across different parts of the site, from game modes to learning tools. Clicking Awards takes you into a dedicated space that highlights your progress and accomplishments. Inside the Awards section, look for a submenu or set of tabs and select Achievements. This is the specific view that organizes your accomplishments into clear, trackable items. Here you'll see achievements you've already earned, along with ones that are still locked, often with progress indicators that show how close you are to completing them. It's a great way to understand where you're excelling and where you might want to set your next goal, whether that's playing a certain number of daily games, completing lessons, or improving your rating in a particular time control. A couple of quick tips as you explore. If you don't immediately see the achievements option, to give the page a second to load, as visuals can take a moment. Interface layouts can evolve over time, so if the look is slightly different, stay focused on the same path. Hover over the chess.com logo, click Awards, then choose Achievements in the submenu. Also, remember that achievements reflect activity tied to your account, so they'll update as you play, learn, and participate in events. And that's it. Log in, hover over the chess.com logo on the left, click Awards, then select Achievements to view your progress. Enjoy tracking your milestones and let your achievements inspire your next moves.